ki khubor ka bate CTV lawan rashapi ta ka Frank Motors kamon ban long slur ringkat bat kaman ba shongkhia ka shong ha ka jinglong scam bat jingjet bastard jongi ka Tata Harrier ka kali ka ban san ya ka lintia jongpi kala banong ka jongpi minta book ya ka Tata Harrier ha Frank Motors lat korngi leni phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khndai hinyo lai
Neigrihm kumshi benta bandang penbah shu ikajing Sumar hapok ka hospital behet tam hapok ka jala Meghalaya benda ka sngi ka Paidbah ik Tiar ajing Sumar ki beri ki Tiar kat kum ka juk beminta Department of Cardiology benbu ha catheterization laboratory kani ka cath lab Thymmai ka ban pinbyang ka intracardiac echocardiography but 3D electrophysiological mapping na ka benta ban Sumar ikajing pang Klongsnam Ya kini ke Tiar Thymmai la khap ribbon kum kadak jing play Paidbah du Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta ubude directors ke Neigrihm. Ya kini ke jing alang lepenya du Professor Animesh Mishra Head of Department of Cardiology Department ha ke jing lang Professor Manish Kapoor bu Dr. Amit Malviya.
For quite a while, we did not have this facility up and running after the last cath lab had outlived its utility. And I think it was, like it happens in a debate, I think it's time now to disagree with some of the things Animesh said while he was giving his initial address. This is not my effort. It's good and very easy to take credit for something like this, but untiring efforts and the collaboration between a whole bunch of departments, administration, procurement, and including the Department of Cardiology, they all worked hard. And it's finally time when you see smiles on their faces, because almost like a person with a disability who doesn't have a crutch, the Department of Cardiology felt quite handicapped without this cath lab. And this advanced grid, which offers multiple facilities for very accurate diagnosis and treatment of patients, will be functional yet again. And I remember over the last few months, we've had numerous VIP visits to Shitom. Whenever any minister or some other VIP came, we get messages and the MS has to be ready and all the heads of departments are ready for any emergency management. And we have always discussed, Animesh, I used to tell him, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that nobody requires a cardiology care, because we didn't have a functional cath lab. There have been patients who were sent to other centers because we could not provide them with services. Very unfortunate, but nothing that I can blame anybody for, because there are procedures in place before which you can establish a facility like this. And all of you seen the facility, it looks very pretty. And we've heard tremendous praise for the Department of Cardiology for their competence, as well as for the lovely resource now that they have. And my only hope and wish is that along with all the other qualities that were outlined, they work with selfless dedication, efficiently, ethically, and most importantly, keeping time at hand and with punctuality. Discipline probably is the biggest player when it comes to providing service, especially critical and life-saving services. So I hope and pray the department continues to shine as it initially was, and each and every one of you needs to know that you are part of this particular facility and the healthcare delivery that is being provided by the department, because this department cannot function on its own. Helps people like Animesh, Manish and Amit do their job without a worry. So it's always nice to see Virat Kohli batting, but let us not forget that somebody has prepared the field, somebody has prepared the pitch, and a lot of hard work has gone in to prepare for that particular game. And hope and pray that we are back serving the people of the Northeast region and beyond. And shine, like I said, we are amongst the best in the country, which has been exemplified not just by the healthcare delivery from the department, but also academic courses that we have started, the academic discourses that we have held and conferences that were conducted, and the research output, which I hope will improve in quality.